Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks very much for joining me. Take your time, letting go of anything else in your life right now you don't need. Letting go of any other stresses and concerns. Bringing your attention to this time and this place. As you're sitting out here, overlooking the water. Beautiful sunny day. Beautiful calm waves. The sun glistening off the water, sparkling and shining. And just take your time soaking up the blessings right in front of you. And let all your other concerns just wash away. Listening to that beautiful water. Really feel all that heaviness truly being washed away by the relaxing, calming, purifying energy of the water. And just lay back and rest. Let your energies be recharged. Already feeling lighter and brighter. Already feel your energy rising, being uplifted simply by letting go. Feeling the beautiful winds of change coming through and allowing them to. Knowing they bring you positive change. Feeling new energy everywhere. Trusting all this beautiful, positive new energy will lead you to even greater days, even greater blessings. Your best days lay ahead. Feel the solidity of the earth below you, on the rock, the giant rock that you're lying on, that you're relying on. Feel how solid it is. Secure in yourself, knowing Mother Nature. All is well. All is in divine order. Feeling calm and relaxed and at peace. Hearing kids play off in the distance, having fun, reminding you to enjoy yourself too and have your fun. Resting in your joy, resting in your peace, in this beautiful divine moment, this sacred moment. Gathering up all this positive energy around you. Put it into your mental, and your emotional, spiritual, and finally your physical. Bringing all that energy back to your physical body now, back to this time, back to this place, back to where you started, feeling renewed. Enjoy your day, everyone.